Welcome back everyone to Stonehouse Acres. Today we're going to do a quick and easy DIY. We're going to make a firewood rack. We're going to be using a 36-inch diameter firewood ring that I purchased at Lowe's, some Rust-Oleum spray paint, and then a pressure treated 2x4 for the legs. Quick and easy, follow along. Time to paint. We're going to prime it with some Rust-Oleum metal primer, some rust stopping metal primer, just a quick coat. I did pick up this Rust-Oleum handle to make the spraying a little easier, but put some primer on, then we'll paint it. This little spray wand is amazing. I've never used one before. So much easier than holding the button down for the entire time. So I got the ring primed. Now we're just gonna put a Rust-Oleum satin protective enamel on it in black. This will be the coat. We'll probably do 2 or 3 coats of this and we should be all set. All right, now we just got to cut the legs. Try and find a good piece to utilize. About 13 inches is what we're going to cut the leg at. All right, for the legs, I'm just using a Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel in leather brown. These new cans with the different spray nozzles are super nice, so let's do it.